Michael Stafford here from Rafmoh Group of Companies based in Dubai Gold District. There's four key factors behind gold pricing: interest rate environment in the US, the dollar strength or weakness, the central bank demand, which has been very, very strong over the last number of years, and the geopolitical tensions right throughout the world. Gold is very important for long-term wealth preservation and for long-term value creation for an individual. We've seen that over years and decades. We have seen a constant appreciation in the price of gold ahead of inflation. So we typically, over an extended period of time, look at least 10% growth in the price of gold versus inflation of 3 to 4%. So that is why it's so important. And in Dubai and in Asia here in general, they understand that, and that is why gold is so culturally important to people in Dubai here and throughout Asia. That's what we have seen over decades. If you look at the pricing of gold over the last 25 years, it has beaten the stock market, it has outperformed inflation, and so that is why it is such an important wealth preservation asset. Over the last number of years, we've seen gold rise from $2,000 per ounce to $4,200 at the start of this year. Silver has risen from $25 to $70 at the start of this year, and that has been a steady increase over that period of time. Since January, we've seen a significant run in gold from $4,200 up to $5,600. And today we see the price back at $4,900. And silver has gone from $70 up to $122, and today sits at $87. So what I look at there is, yes, there's been a pullback in the pricing, but when you look at the underlying figures, there is real growth in the underlying price of both gold and silver. And that's what we look at. We look at what is the trend, and the long-term trend is upward for gold and silver. You have to manage the short-term volatility, but focus on the long-term. Dubai Gold and Jewellery Group give consistent market insights back to the trade here, to both consumers and to the trade. And especially during times of volatility, where they will give price updates. What Dubai Gold and Jewellery give is they will give consistent pricing into the market. For example, we had significant changes during the day, and they kept updating the pricing every hour to make sure that it kept pace with what was happening in the market. I think there's a number of key things to keep an eye on. The interest rate environment is hugely important. Inflation rates are hugely important. The geopolitical risks, again, are hugely important. But when it comes to your specific business, so they're global issues that you have to keep an eye on. But when you come to your own business, you have to manage the volatility, you have to manage your inventory, you have to manage the hedging of your pricing as well. You've got to take risk out of your business, and you do that by ensuring you have good risk management within your business for inventory, for pricing, and for your hedging positions. For B2C customers, we would recommend a strategic approach where you have constant accumulation of gold and silver. It needs to be a part of your asset portfolio going forward. And what you do is you dollar cost average in. So whether it's $1,000 a month or more, you consistently buy, you set aside a certain amount of money on a monthly basis, and you keep buying on a monthly basis. By doing that, you get an average cost of your gold and silver, And if you keep it for an extended period of time, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, you will make significant wealth appreciation over that period of time. So dollar cost average and hold it for a long time.